A blown globe is asking for trouble, plus it's very unsafe. Fortunately, it's also super easy to change. Here's how to check your automotive globes in 3 simple steps. Here's what you'll need. First of all, the safety essentials, your gloves and safety glasses. Then some tools. They won't always be needed, but screwdrivers, spanners and sockets will do the trick when they are. Then of course, new globes. Let's jump into step 1 so you know which ones to purchase. The easiest way to check your indicator globes is to engage the hazard lights and take a walk around the vehicle. Then move on to the brake lights. Finally, headlights and park lights. Do this in stages. Park lights on first, then low beam, then high beam. This makes it easier to see which ones may be blown. The park light will be a separate globe, but the high and low beam may be on 2 circuits in the same globe or across 2 globes entirely. Don't forget to check your tail lights and number plate light as well. Write down what needs replacing and you're on to step 2, purchasing your globes. The Supercheap Auto My Garage feature makes this super easy. Just enter your rego, search for the globe you require and suitable replacements for your vehicle will be presented. Now it's time to fit them in step 3. First, ensure all your lights are switched off. We'll begin at the front. Most of the headlight remains in place while you access indicator, park, high and low beam globes from behind. Changing the park and indicator globes is usually done by removing the globe socket with a simple twist. Then the globe can be replaced and the socket twisted back into position. The method for a headlight globe can vary. If you're unsure, check your owner's manual. Changing your globes at the rear is often achieved through small hatches in the cargo area. However, it's just as common that removal of the tail light is necessary. Thankfully, this is super simple. Usually, 2 bolts or screws will have the assembly free in a couple of minutes. Twist the globe holder out of the tail light assembly and change the blown globes. Wedge-type globes just pull out of and push into the socket. Bayonet-type globes will need a gentle push and a twist. Remember, as you replace any of the globes, do not touch the glass with your bare hands. The oil on your skin can create hot spots and reduce the globe's lifespan. Once everything's reassembled, check to see that everything's functioning properly. If you still have lights out, some further investigation may be required. It could be a simple blown fuse, but most of the time you'll be ready to hit the road with confidence. Find detailed instructions and more ways to make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs. Make it super at Supercheap Auto.